Okay, hello, this is Miss Williams from Moses and Mink, and I'm here to talk to you about Wakelet. Wakelet is a website that I like to use. They also have an app that you can put on your phone. Pretty much it's a bookmark site. What you do, when you find websites or resources that you like, you can copy and paste the link, and you can save it in the Wakelet. So these are the Wakelets I have. I have them sorted out by subject matter. So I'm just going to create a Wakelet for you guys. Um, some people use Wakelets to create hyperdocs or tutorials for the students in class. Also, they use it for like me, just to use it for a collection. But they have many uses for Wakelets. So I'm gonna name it what. Try to think of something. So we're gonna name it radioactivity and nuclear chemistry. And I'm just going to put on here that this is resources. Okay. So then we're going to upload an image for this resource. So I'm going to pull something from somewhere. I'm going to use this. I also teach on OutSchool. So if you guys want to take a class, you can look me up. I'll be more than happy to have you. So now we're going to upload this picture, which we have here. And now we're going to look for a resource. So if you see here on this nice bar, we have the URL, add text. You can do a YouTube video, tweets, bookmarks, images, upload PDF, Google Drive, OneDrive, and also Flipgrid. So we're going to copy and paste any web address. So let's see what we're going to paste. Let's do this NASA site. Oh, that's not NASA. I don't want to do that. Sorry. So let's copy that. Then we're going to go back in. We're going to paste it here. And if you guys see what's going to take place, there it is right there. It automatically saves. You should never have to save it. They just started that. You can also enable it to be copied. You can have it so that even if somebody look at it, they can make a copy of it for themselves. It's private, so you can make sure that it's private, public, unlisted, or private. Anybody can see it when it's public, unlisted. Only someone with a link can get to it. So let me click on done. So you can also share this, so you and your coworkers can contribute to creating this Wakelet. So maybe you want to make a hyperdoc together, or you may both teach biology, and you may want to make sure you use the same resources when you teach in your classes. So this is a good way to do that. You have a QR code, a link, or you can do a name or email. You also have the ability to manage your contributors, and you can also generate a new link and a code whenever you need to. So let's do some exploring. You can explore and find other Wakelets to bookmark. And let's see what we have. I'm trying to think what we need to look up. So let's look up radioactivity, since that's what we created anyway. And let's see what we get. Okay, so we have a couple of nice ones here. Nuclear fission. How do we make the atomic? Must be an atomic bomb. Strong force and weak force. Let's look at the strong force and weak force. That's a pretty cool looking one. So pretty much this is all the resources they use to teach this particular course. And look like this may be a tutorial. And I need this because I teach this, but I don't go there in detail into leptons and quarks, but I do teach majority of this. So the strong force, weak force. So this is pretty cool. So we're gonna save this, and this is a physics class. So that is a little bit advanced for me because I just teach physical science. So let's see if we can go back out again. I just want to see what else they have. So let's look at radioactivity, half-life, and nuclear energy. I like this one. And this is really nice. I don't think I would. Let's go back out one more time. And let's do the atomic bomb. So that'll be a really good project. So pretty much this is another tutorial, which is really nice. I like this one. So I'm going to bookmark this one as well. So let's go back to home. And if you look on the bookmarks, let's see, because sometimes you have to refresh the page, and I am going to have to refresh it for it to show up. Give me a minute. And you see both of them popped up right here. And you can also share the bookmark, or you can add it to a collection. So I can add it to this radioactivity one, and it saved it. Same thing for this one. And we're finished. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you have any other questions, please give me a phone call or you can email me. And you guys have a blessed one.